Welcome, Soul-Led Entrepreneurs. Are you ready for a new approach to business? Today, I want to talk to you about why you might be feeling stuck in your business, why even with everything you've tried, your business still hasn't grown and hit the income you desire. So if you're anything like me, you had a vision to change the world. You're passionate about people and creating ripples of impact. You started your soul-led business ready to do just that. You followed all the steps, tried all the things, spent all the money, yet you still haven't hit the income and success you desire. Does that sound like you? Perfect. This training is designed specifically for women like you, caught in the whirlwind of trying all the things, yet not reaping the results you deserve. As women entrepreneurs, we are constantly learning, studying, looking to others for how to hit that next level. Trust me, I have spent thousands on it all. I bet you've thought maybe you just need to manifest new clients. You just have to imagine the end state where all the perfectly aligned clients magically find you and book out your calendar for the year. Or maybe the reason you haven't hit wild success is because of social media. It is changing so fast. The only ones who can keep up are the social media specialists, the ones who are also selling their latest strategy course. So you think maybe this is it. Take the latest course, follow all the advice and steps. You post just as they tell you to, copying their strategy style and even their post framework, yet nothing. No viral posts, no massive growth. How can it work for them and not you? It must be that you need more confidence. How can you build a business if you're not rock solid in who you are as a business owner, the services you offer? This latest confidence course will help you do just that, right? Except you start and finish and you're right back where you started, because that isn't the answer. Confidence is built by doing, and what better way to do business than your way, using your unique blueprint? The list goes on and on. Honestly, we can sit and chat about this forever. Most of the courses we buy, we don't finish. They sit on the shelf and we don't actually implement. Is that you too? I know it's me. How many have you bought and never even started? We have plans to get back to them one day. And imagine when you do, it's gone. This has happened to me many times. All that money spent for nothing. Information without implementation is just noise. And the more noise we allow in, the more confused we become and the more out of alignment we are. Did you know that your business must be an expression of your soul purpose and align to your unique blueprint, or it's going to be hard to create financial abundance? In fact, depending on your soul's primary energetic gifts, certain business ventures can actually cause your income to decrease. This is why I'm so passionate about sharing this. The times when I was highly successful in my life, I was doing my soul purpose and I didn't even know it. I want to share a little bit about my story. I actually started my first business at age 12, inspired by the Babysitter Club books. The originals, yes, I'm aging myself here. I started a babysitting business and hired friends to help fill the jobs. This went on until I got my first job at McDonald's. Not glamorous, but I did learn a lot about people and customer service, skills that I still use to this day. I went to college for small business and entrepreneurship. That's my education. I was taught everything on how to open and run a small business. Fresh out of school, I worked for a number of small businesses and larger corporations in many different industries. Business was not new to me, so I have a lot of experience. Even before my own venture into opening my first adult business over 22 years ago, there were times in there where I wasn't as successful as I would have liked to have been. And then there's other times where success seemed to just come easily to me. I didn't know it at the time, but when I was highly successful in my own life, it was because I was doing my soul purpose in my businesses, and the work that I was doing was in alignment to me. Even success in careers was in alignment to my blueprint. The times where my business was struggling or I was in what seemed like a dead-end job, it was because it was misaligned. And now that I know and I fully understand my own blueprint, I can see how powerful it is living and running your business from that aligned state. Yet there were other times where I struggled and I went searching outside of myself for all of the answers. Yet it didn't help. It actually hindered my growth. It hindered my business. I became so misaligned because I was listening to everyone else as the expert, but they weren't the expert on me and who I am and how I'm designed to do business. Okay, so I see you. You've tried all of every strategy under the sun except the one that actually works. It's time to harness the power of your unique blueprint. The real reason why you're not getting the results, no matter what strategies or coaches you hire, is that their way isn't your way. Did you know that you have your own unique entrepreneurial energy revealed through your personal and business blueprint? So, have you been pouring your heart and soul into your business and yet you feel stuck in the same place as if you just can't get a break? I bet you've invested so much of your time, heart, and soul into your business, yet you're still not succeeding like you expected. And all these coaches promised. Instead, you're discouraged and doubting yourself and your abilities, ready to pack it in. Maybe business isn't for you and you should just go get a job. After spending many years and thousands of dollars learning, trying to emulate the road to success of my favorite mentors, and also coaching others after they've done the same, I realized that most women entrepreneurs are approaching business entirely the wrong way. This isn't something we need to search for. It is what we already are. We just need to get back in alignment to it. What some expert is saying you need to do to succeed is really only what they did to succeed, and what worked for them might not work for you. Most will teach based on what worked for them. I take a much different approach. I help you discover what living life and running a business aligned to your soul means to you. And this is where most business owners go wrong. Success in business starts with you. You are the strategy. So how do we change this? We get clear on your own unique business blueprint so that you have a firm understanding of what your unique entrepreneurial strengths and challenges are, so you can begin running your business aligned to you. We assess what aspects of your business are misaligned and causing challenges, and even worse, blocking or creating a decrease in abundance. We strategize what aligned actions are going to help you finally create the business and income you desire. So, what could misalignment mean in your business? Maybe your new business coach stresses that really successful 7-figure entrepreneurs wake up at 5 a.m. and have their day scheduled down to the last minute. But for your divine self expression, you need to have lots of freedom in your day. Maybe you spent lots of money on social media ads and you yielded 0 leads. Your income level decreases, and the more you push, the more it decreases. Or you hire a marketing specialist to help with the launch and write your product launch emails, but they're falling flat with your list. Not only did you have 0 sales, you're also having a bunch of unsubscribes. The coach in your latest mastermind told you how simple it was to create a new digital product just like theirs and make 10K in your first month. You just have to throw it up on social media and watch that money roll in, except you follow this roadmap and you have 0 sales. You hire a VA who sets up all these new systems in your business to make it run smoother, and all of a sudden your income drops. Can you relate to any of these? I know I can. So you've already tried all the things and already invested too much, yet nothing has worked. Do you want to try something that does? Something that is based on your unique blueprint and not what some other coach or specialist is telling you what to do. You had all these dreams that if you just launched your soul-led business, magic would happen. The universe would magically deliver all of the clients to you because you were ready to serve. After all, you love to help and you're ready to change lives. I am sure you've been sold that it is that simple. Truth is, business, yes, even a soul-led business doesn't work like that. For highly conscious business owners, such as yourself, your business must be aligned to your unique blueprint. Are you ready to consider a different approach? Yes, launching a business can be easy, but getting that business to actually generate the income you were hoping for is no small undertaking. Most people don't start a business and earn seven figures in their first year. Even many wildly successful business owners had to fumble and fail and get back up and try again. Did you know that only 4% of entrepreneurs actually make it past the first 10 years? And this doesn't mean that they were financially successful. But I don't want you to get discouraged because what I'm sharing with you today is the key. The world keeps preaching about working hard, right? But if it was only about working hard, most wouldn't be struggling so much. They would all have successful businesses and be wildly rich. The fact is, the winning success formula is about working smart with the right strategies, knowledge, and guidance. This formula will give you the opportunity to create the business you desire. So, if you are ready to finally create a business that feels bigger than you, to get beyond the frustration, doubt, and constant searching outside of yourself, this is where I come in. And this will be the last business coaching that you will ever need. I'm sure you already know that everything is energy and like attracts like. However, we do not always know the energetic qualities of our business and its various functions. And until we do, we are really going at it through trial and error. The fact that you're still here with me means you know it's time for a change and you're ready to do your part to step into your true power. I can help you by utilizing these powerful tools and my strong, proven business background. We will ensure that your business is realigned for financial abundance and flow because, as highly conscious entrepreneurs, financial abundance cannot be created outside of living and running your business aligned to your unique blueprint. I know you've tried all the things, but this isn't just another thing. Here, we will venture into the untapped realm of energetics and alignment to your soul's unique blueprint, while also combining the power of mindset, business strategy, and manifestation together. Are you ready? Do you want to skip the trial and error and discover the exact business strategies that are uniquely aligned to you and that will help grow your business? Great. If you're still watching, then this is resonating. And I'm so happy that you're ready to explore and discover new ideas with me and finally try something that is different from what all the other business coaches are selling you. This one small decision could potentially change your life for the better. This is where the soul aligned business method comes in. Here, you will go from confusion to clarity. My method helps you learn about your soul's unique blueprint and how this translates into entrepreneurial skills and challenges and how your soul affects your entrepreneurial path. And you will also discover which marketing, sales, and business systems are most aligned to you. Ultimately, it will help you identify your unique entrepreneurial strengths and challenges tied to your soul's blueprint. It will help you gain clarity on the best aligned actions for your business, discover what can be shifted within the areas of marketing, products, sales, services, business systems in order to create more financial abundance. It'll balance your business energetics with the best aligned, grounded action. No more feeling like you're always throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something finally sticks. You'll spend more time doing what you love in your business by focusing your energy on what brings you desired results. You'll discover what makes a product or service the right one for you and what may cause misalignment. We will also evaluate new projects or services for their financial abundance potential before they're even launched. You'll have the ability to attract incredible aligned clients whenever you choose. You'll ensure your business is set up independently from an energetic perspective so it does not exhaust you as the business owner. And last but certainly not least, uncover the blocks and restrictions within the structure of your business that are hindering the flow of money, new customers, or repeat business. Of course, this isn't a magic pill. Knowledge without integration is just noise, and we already know you've had enough of that. You cannot do the same things over and over and expect different results. You will need to take action to shift and align your business with your blueprint. And that can get uncomfortable. I know, but I'm here to help you with that. I want to share about one of my clients. So she was running her soul-led business and doing pretty good at it, but not enough. She wasn't yet earning enough income in that business that she could quit her full-time job, which was her ultimate goal. So while her business was doing well, it was not doing well enough. And no matter what she tried, she couldn't get beyond the income level she was set at. She was running it how she ran her sales job, but that was not how she was designed to do business. So we started by teaching her everything there was to know about her unique blueprint, what misalignment she was currently creating, and what of those needed to shift. Once a solid foundation was in place, we worked on what new action she needed to start creating the shift she desired. She had big goals and was willing to put in the work to make them happen. In 3 months, she was able to triple her income, bring alignment into her business and also her life. This ultimately allowed her to quit her full-time job and go all in on her business. This is the power of alignment to your unique business blueprint. Now, I know everyone is trying to get you to invest thousands of dollars and months of time, but I do things different. I'd rather do a single session with you and have you implement just one thing so you will know through your results that this does work. And then we can keep working together if you want. But I'm pretty confident that once you see how well the Soul Aligned Business Method works, you will want to go deeper. Thank you for spending this time with me. I appreciate it. Let's get you to step into your next level. Book your Soul Aligned Business Method session today. The link is below.